Here's an instruction video on how to draw prisms. You pick what kind of prism you want. So for example, if I want a rectangular prism, I draw a rectangle. Then I draw the exact same rectangle, a little up and a little to the side. And I connect the two bases. If I'm drawing a equilateral triangular prism, I draw a much prettier triangle than that. Draw a triangle, a little up and to the right. I draw the same triangle, and then I connect the bases. And if I'm drawing a right triangular prism, I draw the right triangle, I go a little up and to the right, and draw the same one, and I connect the sides. If you wanted to draw it like where you can't see the back of it, you would draw the shape and put small diagonals here. They all need to be the same size, and then just connect those. Ta-da!